Hey Californians, 2023, new year, new me. Maybe, maybe not. Regardless of whether you plan on keeping your New Year's resolutions, California's put some new laws into effect starting now, 2023. Actually, January 1st, but here we go. Number one, the Feather Alert System. The Feather Alert System is similar to the Amber Alert System, which notifies people of missing children, or the Silver Alert System, which notifies people of missing senior citizens in the area, except this applies to Indigenous people who have gone missing under unexplained or suspicious circumstances. Minimum wage. California's state minimum wage has gone up by 50 cents. Minimum wage is now $15.50 in the state of California. This goes into effect regardless of how many employees you have. So business sizes of just one employee to thousands of employees, the increase applies to. Transparency of pay scales. In California, if you have more than 15 employees, you're now required to disclose pay scales in your job postings. If you have more than 100 employees, you're required to include the median, the mean, hourly rate for each combination of race, ethnicity, and sex within each job category. New holidays. California has a few new state holidays. There's Genocide Remembrance Day, which is April 24th, and this is to commemorate the Armenian genocide of 2015. We have Juneteenth, which is June 19th. This is also a state holiday, and this is to commemorate the emancipation of enslaved African Americans. Lunar New Year, and this occurs on the second or third new moon following the winter solstice. It's a celebration of the arrival of spring and the beginning of a new year on the lunisolar calendar. This is also the most important holiday in China. We also have Native American Day, which is the fourth Friday of September. Farm workers. A bill expanding the right of farm workers to be able to unionize went into effect on January 1st. However, if this bill affects you, you should be on the lookout for new updates for the law because the legislature is already expected to alter the new law. So if this bill affects you, stay tuned. Legalizing jaywalking. Jaywalking is now permitted in California. It is only an offense to cross the street at a non-designated area when a reasonably careful person would realize there is an immediate danger of a collision. Passing bicyclists. Previously, California law required vehicles to maintain a 3-foot distance when passing bicycles headed in the same direction. There's now a new law that will now require vehicles to move into another lane. However, the cars are required to move into another lane with due regard for safety and traffic conditions, if practicable and not prohibited by law. This means that you need to move into another lane if moving into another lane is not illegal and the safety and traffic conditions permit you moving your car into a new lane. There we go. There's a few laws that have gone into effect in California in 2023. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.